In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate eSIM card on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly activate your eSIM card. You can follow these same steps on an iOS device or even an Android smartphone. So all that you have to do is visit the official website for EE, so ee.co.uk, and in here you can optionally sign in. It might make the process of finding this page easier, but all that you have to do is go over to this page here. So whenever you access the plans and subscriptions page, you go over to mobile and you go under the permissions, you will be able to activate your SIM or eSIM. You can also find this page by looking for this article here, activate and set up a new SIM. So look for this page on Google and you will get instructions on how to properly activate it. By clicking on this link, you will be redirected here. So if you want to go to this link directly, here it is. Once you go over to this page, you can choose between activating an eSIM, so a digital download, or an eSIM replacement pack. Alternatively, a standard physical SIM card, which is the option that I'm going to focus on in this video. Keep in mind that if you got a SIM card as a replacement for a lost, stolen, or damaged SIM, it should already be activated and ready to go. And if it is not, call them on this number here. Alternatively, click on Activate on this page after you select your desired activation process and you will be able to get it done. So as you can see, we will text you a one-time PIN to activate your new SIM or eSIM. Please give us the mobile number your new SIM is for. So in here, you just have to enter your mobile number. Now, sadly, I don't actually have a number issued from EE, but if you do, input it here, you will receive the text message and then you can place it on this website. By doing this, they will be able to activate your SIM card for you and you can use it on any mobile device. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate EE SIM card on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.